Tools for Python developers. The following are the top 6 Python developers' tools to help you do your job faster. 1. Helios. Helios is a developer platform that provides actionable insight into your Python application flow. 2. PyCharm. PyCharm is a popular integrated development environment for Python development. JetBrains developed it and offered advanced features such as intelligent code completion, syntax highlighting, and debugging capabilities. 3. Pip package. Pip is a widely used package management system for Python that simplifies installing, managing, and updating Python packages and dependencies. 4. Selenium. Selenium is a popular open-source framework used for automating web browsers. It provides a programming interface to interact with web elements, simulate user actions, and perform tasks such as form filling, clicking buttons, and navigating through web pages. 5. Poetry. Poetry is a modern Python package manager that simplifies managing dependencies and creating Python projects. 6. Jupyter. Jupyter is an open-source web-based computing environment for creating and sharing documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.